name is Julie and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this basic egg. I'm using a size G hook and I'm a stitch marker, and now I'm going to need scissors and yarn needle to finish it off. Okay, we're going to get started. To start out, I'm going to make a magic ring. I'm going to put 6 single crochets into this ring. So that's 2, 4, 6, and I'm going to pull my ring shut. In our first, we're going to work in continuous rounds. So this first one, we're going to put 2 single crochets, and I might be working my tail in. Keep track, my stitch marker on our first one. So 2 in each one. No, I take that back. That's not right. We're going to put 2 in our first one and 1 in our next one for a total of 9. So 2 in our next one. And 1 in our next stitch. Yeah, I'm working my tail here. I guess I don't have to anymore because it's going to be part of the inside stuffing. And finally 2. Increase a 2 and 1. And we should have 9 stitches around. Alright, for next row, we're going to do 2. Our first one, then do 1 in the next 2, do an increase, another 2 in the next one. And then 1 in the next 2. Do 2. And then finish out the row, 1 in the next 2. And we should have a total of 12. To our next row, we're going to do 2 in the first one, mark that, and 1 in the next 3. 3. Do an increase in the next 2. So we're going to do 2. And 1 in the next 3. Three, 2. Finish it up in our last 3. Alright, now for our next row, we're going to not do any increases. We're going to do one, we're going to go one row. Okay, we're going to mark it, and then we're just going to do a single crochet in every stitch, so that's 15. And go one around. Did a row of just single crochet around. And we're going to do one more row of increases. So we're going to do 2 and our 1. And 1 in the next 4. Do 2. Oh, my stitch marker fell out. Two. Yes, and my stitch marker had fallen out, and we are done increasing our eggs. We are done with the increase portion of our egg. Okay, I have finished up our final increase for our egg. So what we're going to do is 3 rows of even single crochet around. So I'm going to do 3 rows of single crochet around my egg, and I'll show you when we're going to start decreasing to finish up our egg. So I will be back with you when I'm done with my 3 rows even single crochet around. Alright, I have just finished 3 rounds of even single crochet around, and now what we're going to do now is start our decreasing. So we're going to go down, we're going to do a decrease, which in this case I'm going to put my hook in the front loop of the next 2, yarn over and draw up a loop, and that's a decrease. Mark it. In the next, and then I'm going to do a single crochet in the next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do another decrease. Just I'm going to put my hook in the front loops of the next 2, yarn over, draw through a loop. The next 4. And one more time, we're going to do a decrease over the next 2 and in the next 4. Okay, at this point we're going to start stuffing our egg. Now you can use the fiber fill, but I am going to use some scrap ends that I keep when I do other projects, and I will put that. Alright, that'll be for now. That'll be enough. Right, now we're going to decrease from, we have 15 stitches, now we're going to go down to 10. So we're going to do another decrease over the next two. We'll mark it. Single crochet in the next one. Do another decrease over the next two. Do one in the next one. Decrease over the next two. One in the next one. Decrease in the next two. Finally, one last time. Decrease. Next two, and then one in the next. And then we'll do one final. If you want to finish filling up our egg, I might put a little more, try to form our egg, maybe a little more stuffing. It says you can either, I'm using some of my scrap yarn. Okay, I thought at this point of the video I will show you how to finish up the egg from this row. So what we would do is that we would insert our needle, our thread, into the front loops of all the remaining 10 stitches and pull it tight to form the bottom. This is one way that we can close up the bottom, and it, in my opinion, is going to make a much cleaner and nicer look. So if you want to, the remaining of the video is going to show how to do one more row of decreases and bring it down to 5. So without further ado, I am going to have you resume back to the original video I have done. And if you do finish it up, this egg, at this point, I would like at this point to thank you for watching my video. And now, to finish this up, we're going to do it. We're going to do 5 decreases, so that's 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and finally our last time. Then we're ready to sew up. It'll probably slip in the next one. We're going to sew this up, finish it off. There you have it. We have our little egg. Like this tutorial, please give it a like. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.